Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print your Pinterest board. So in here, I've already opened my Pinterest, and what you need to do next is just click on your profile to see your board, and after that you can just scroll down, and here for example I'm going to print this uh five images, five pictures. So what you need to do, if you want to print them, you can just click on or view the image one by one, then click on more option and download the image, all of the image. So after you're done with the one image, go back and download the other. So after the all of the image has been downloaded, you can just click on this icon to show the image on folders, and after this you can just select the images. So these are the my Pinterest board, and you can just select all, highlight all of the images, right click on it, and find the options to print. This one, click on print, and this print will pop up like this, and you can just choose the printer, adjust the paper size and the quality. After that, here you can just click on print. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.